Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hi, Luke. How are you? How are you?
I'm good, and you?
You're good. And me, I am also good. So, before I will start my lesson, I will greet you. Happy New Year. Happy
Happy
New
New Year.
All right, Happy New Year too. And I hope, listen, teacher wish that in this new year, you will learn a lot of things in our class, okay?
Okay.
All right, so are you ready for you to learn this afternoon? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So, if you are ready, you have to make sure that you will listen to teacher. Okay?
Okay.
So because if you will listen, I know you will learn a lot because I know also that you are a smart boy, so you will learn fast. All right. So for this afternoon, we are going to have our new lesson. All right. Okay. Wait for a while. It's still preparing. Oh, for a while. Okay, there. Can you see teacher's screen? Look. Not yet. There. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. So what is written on my screen? What is there? Can you please read? Please read. R. Look. Listen. Here. Please read what is written on the screen for me to know if you really see my screen. Go.
You ready?
Are you ready? You will say?
Yes,
Yes.
and ready.
Yes, very good. Yes, I'm ready. So if you are ready, I want your eyes on me. Okay, meaning to say you have to look at teacher for you to learn. Next. Here. Oh, if you are ready, you are going to listen to me. Okay, huh? You have to listen and you have to put your eyes on me. All right. So here we go. All right. Wait. Okay, so what is lesson 11.11? Look at on the screen. Can you tell teacher what is lesson 11.11? What is it all about? It's about, look, lesson. Look at the screen.
Lesson 11.1.
Right, 11.1, and that is about what is
Body.
my body. Okay. Can you listen, look. Can you show teacher your body? Where is your body? Where's your body? You know where is your body?
Yes.
Oh, can you show teacher your body?
Yeah.
Ben, show teacher your body. I want to see if you really know your body. Come on. Here, where's your body?
No.
No, you don't know? Your body is this one. Look at teacher. Okay, this your body is from your head going to your feet. Okay, look at teacher. Teacher's here. Okay, when we say body, those are parts of your, this one, head going to your arms down to your feet. That is body. All right? All
Right.
right. Now next. So I will show you here. I have here new words, okay? I want to check if you know these new words or not. All right, there you go. What is this? Look, turn on
It's
your
a
video.
hand.
Hand, okay. How many hand are there?
There are 3.
There are 3. Okay. This one here is one group. This one here is one group. Okay. Listen to this name. Okay. Listen to what do you call to these things. All right. Here. Oh, what is that? What did the speaker says? What is this? Look. What did the speaker says? This is a... Oh, what is this? Please read.
Hand.
Hand. How about this one? Oh, hands. All right. This one here is hand, and the other is what you call as hands. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Listen. What is the difference between the two? Look. What is the difference between this and this? Hand, and this one is hands. Okay, here. If you show only one, you call it hand. All right? Hand if it's only one, and you will call it hands with letter S if it's 2 or many. Understand? And do you understand? Listen, teacher. You will call this one as hand if it's only one. But if it's 2 or many, you will call it as hands. Get it? Hands with S. Understand? Look. Listen to teacher. Hands if it's 2. Okay, here, look at the screen. I will show you something and you will tell me if it's hand or hands. Okay. Oh, what do you call to this look? Look, this one. Look at here. Eyes here. What is this? Hand,
Hands.
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 Hands. Why it's hands? Because it is
2 hands.
2 hands. What if teacher will show this one? What do you call to this?
Hand.
Hand. Very good, because it's only how many? Only how many did I show? Only
1.
1. Very good. So you will call it hand if it's only 1 and hands if it's 2 or many. Great. Very good. Next, we have here. Oh, what is this? What do you call to this? Look at me.
Finger.
Oh, finger. Okay. How about this one? Finger. Because why do you think it's called finger? Because how many is it? How many? How many? Only only one. You will call it finger if it's only one. But how about this one? 3, 2, 4, 5. You will call this as fingers. Okay? Listen to teacher.
Okay.
All right. So you will call it two or many. All right. So here, I will show you something and you'll tell me if it's finger or fingers. Understand? All right, great. What do you call to this look?
Finger.
Finger. How about this? Look at teacher. What is this?
Fingers.
Fingers, right. Very good. Wow, great. You got it right. Now here. How about this one? What do you call to this? What do you call to this? This is?
Arm.
Arm. Okay. Listen, listen. It's arm if it's only one. But if it's two, you will call this as arms. Understand?
Arm.
Okay. What do you call to this look? Teacher is here. Arm or arms? What do you call to this? Arm or arms? Look at what I'm showing. Look. Look at teacher. Teacher's here. What is this? Arm or arms? Look. Here. What is this? Arm or arms? Look at here.
Arm.
One. Arm. No, two. One. Arms. Very good. Now, can you show me your arm? Look. Show me your arm. Come on. Teacher wants to see the arm of Luke. Where is your arm? Arm. Your arm. Only one. If I will say, teacher wants to see your arms. 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 Very good. Great. That is arm and arms. How about this one? What do you call to this? These are?
Feet.
Feet. Let's try to check if it's feet. It's leg because from here going up. Leg if it's only one, but if it's two, what do you call to two leg? You will call it as, how about this one? The leg if it's only one. How about two? How about two? What do you think? What do you call if it's two? If it's two, you will call it as? You will call it as? Look, I'm asking. Two. Look at here, two. You will call it as? Here. I'm here. Look at here. What are you doing there? What about if it's two already? Look. 1, 2. How about for two leg? What do you call if it's already two? You will call it as? You will call it as? Look, I'm here. If it's two already, what do you call it? You will call it as?
Legs.
Legs, right? If it's only one, you will call it as? Look, if it's only one. Here, if it's only one, you will call it as?
Leg.
Right. Next. What is this?
Foot.
Foot. All right. Foot. Now here, tell me. Foot. And if it's two already, you will call it as feet. Okay, listen. If it's only one, you will call it as foot. But if it's two already, you will call it as feet. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Don't forget that one, huh? I will ask you later. If you cannot answer later, I will keep on asking you until you will understand. All right. Here. Oh, look at this one. Look at what happened. Oh, what is this? Come on, tell me. Look at here. What is this? What is this? The one on your feet. What is that? This one.
Leg.
Oh, it's not leg. We're done with the leg. We're done with the foot. How about this one? It's like fingers on the hands. How about if it's already at the foot? What do you call to this? This is what we called as toe. All right? What is this?
Oh.
Toe. But if it's many, you will call it toes. Okay? If it's many, what do you call it? Look. If it's many, look at this one. If it's many, you will call it toes. If it's only one, you will call it as toe. Now, here, I have a question. Can you tell me how many toes do you have? How many toes do you have? Come on. Count your toes and tell teacher how many toes do you have? Can you count it? Do you know how many toes you have? Look. Hello.
No.
Please count how many toes do you have? Look at your feet. Look at your feet and count how many toes do you have?
I have one toe and
One toe only on your feet?
no.
Oh, how many? I asked you to
Five.
count it. 5? How about the left and the right feet? Left and right feet. How many toes are there? Please count.
There are 5.
There are 5?
1.
1. Left and the right feet. Left and right. Put together. How many? Count it. There are, come on, count your foot. Oh no, count your toes on your feet. Look at your feet. You have 2 feet now. Come on, count how many toes are there with your 2 feet. Go. 1,
2.
2.
1. 2.
How many are there? Oh,
10.
10, right? There are 10 toes on your feet. Look at this one. We will count. This is an example of feet. Look at this. This is a feet. So a while ago, I asked you to count how many toes. The toes are this and this. So if you will count it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 toes. Understand?
Yeah.
Understand. Now here, next. Here, structure. Look at this one. What is in the picture? What is shown in the picture? Tell me. What's in the picture? What do you call to this? These are
Arms.
arms, right? So how you will tell it? You will say, what is this? And your answer will be, this is my arm. Again? Please say.
I don't know.
Oh, look at this one. What is this? Look at teacher. What is this? So you will say, this. Look at here. On the screen. I ask you to read what is on the screen. Come on, look at this one. Arm. So if someone will ask you, what is this? You will say, this is, again. Look at here. This is, look at here, look. If I will ask, look at the picture. How many arm is this? How many? How many is this? Look at when I am pointing. Look at what or where am I pointing? How many arm are there? This one, how many? Please count. I'm here. How many is this? How many? It's how many? It's one only. One. So you will say, you will say, this is my arm. Again?
Again.
Can you say it again? This is my arm. Please say it again. Look, this is my arm. Come on.
What is this? Is my arm.
Oh, if I will say, what is this? You will say, this is my arm. Understand? Because it's only one. But if it's two, you will say, what are these? You will say, these are my arms. Again? Again? Look. Over here. I'm here. Where are you? I can't see your face. Hello. Look.
Hello.
Oh, here. If I will ask you, what are these? You will say, these are my arms. Say it again. These are my arms. Please say it. Come on. These
are my arm.
Arms. There's S. Arms. Again. These are my arms. Again. Say it again, look. These are my arms. Hello, what are you doing there? Come on. Say it again. These are my arms. Say it. Come on.
What are my arms?
These are my arms. Again.
These are my arms.
Arms. There's S. Arms. Again.
Arms.
All right. Arms. Next. Here. Circle the right word. So here, I will ask you. Look at number 1. This one. Look at here. Please read this one. What is this? What is this? Look. This one. Please read. Hand. This one.
Leg.
Leg. This one.
Arm.
Arm. This one.
Toe.
Huh? Again?
Toe.
Toe. What is this?
Toe.
Toe. Okay, look at the picture. What is on the picture? Is it a hand, leg, arm, or toe? What is that? Look at the picture and tell me the name of the body part. Come on, look at this one. What is this? Is this arm, leg? Oh, no. Hand, leg, arm, or toe? What is this? Where are you? I can't see you. Hello?
Hello.
Answer this one. What is this? Hand, leg, arm, or toe? What is in the picture? I'm here. Where are you? Come on. It's just so easy. I know you can answer this because I know you are a smart boy. But you need just to listen to teacher and face here. Come on. What is this? Look. Where are you? Look. Do you want to learn or not? What are you doing there?
It's a hand.
Oh, it's a hand. Yes, it's a hand. So your answer is hand. How about this? What is this? Is it hands, arms, feet, or fingers? Look at this one. What is this? Hands, arms, feet, or fingers?
Feet.
This one is a feet. Look at all. What is it?
Finger.
Fingers. Yes, your answer is fingers. And how about this one? What is this?
This is toes.
Again? Toes, feet, fingers, or arms?
Feet.
Feet. Yes, feet. Great. And this one, what is this? This one, hand,
It's a
leg,
toe.
arm, or toe? This one, what is this?
Toes.
Toe. Oh, don't say toes. It's only one. It's toe. Now here, it's time for checking. Look at here. Your answer in number 1 is hand. Now, let's try to check if your answer is correct. All right. Number 1. Oh, look at that. Are you correct? Is your answer correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, great. Very good. Now, number 2. Your answer in number 2 is fingers. All right, let's check. Let's check if fingers is correct. Look at that. Are you correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, great. So you will say, I am good. You will say,
I am good.
yes, you are good. Great. Now here, number 3. Your answer in number 3 is, what's your answer again in number 3? This one? What's this? Can you please read your answer in number 3? What is this? This is?
Feet.
Feet. Let's try to check. Number 3. All right, look at that. are you correct in number 3? Yes or no? Are you correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, right. You are correct. The answer is feet. Now here, how about number 4? What is your answer in number 4? Come on. Answer in number 4. What is number 4? This is? What's your answer? Can you please read your answer? What's your answer in number 4? Your answer is? This one. Your answer is?
Toe.
Toe. Oh, let's try to check. All right. Very good. Your answers are all correct. So because of that, look, I will give you stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You will have or you will receive 5 stars. Very good. Listen carefully so that you will learn. Okay. So this again is hand, fingers, feet, and toe. Okay. Next activity. This one. Match and write. Okay, you are going to match. Okay, ha? I'll just put number 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. This is letter A, letter B, letter C, and letter D. All right. Now here, you are going to match. Okay. Number 1, please read.
Fingers.
A finger. Now, where is the partner of the finger? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? Letter
B.
B. Okay, I'll put line going to the B. Now, number 2. Please read number 2.
Toe is
Toe, not to wear. It's toe. Again?
toe.
Oh,
Is
a toe. Where's toe? Letter. Okay, letter A, right? Next, how about this one? Where is the partner of number 3? Where is the partner? Letter
C.
Letter C. Great. Now, how about number 4? Where is the partner of number 4? Where is it? What letter?
A.
Letter?
D.
Letter D. All right. Now here, aside from drawing a line, you are going also to write the letters here. Okay. Can you tell me what do you call to this? This one is a.
O.
This one? Toe. This one is toes. Letter T. Wait for a while.
O-E-S.
O-E-S. Wow. Next, how about this one? What is this? Look.
F.
F.
F-I.
I.
N.
And.
G.
G.
E-R-S.
E-R-S. Fingers. Wow. Very good. How about this one? What is this?
L-E-S.
E-S. Less. Not S. Letter
G.
G. All right. Now, it's time for us to check if your answers are correct. Are you ready to check?
Yeah.
Yes. Number 1, a finger. You match it with letter B. Come on, let's try. Look at that. Are you correct? Yes, good. How about number 2? Are you correct? Yes, very good. How about number 3? Let's try to check number 3. Look at that. Number 3. Wow, very good. Now number 4. Look at number 4. All right. Very good. Now let's go to the spelling. Let's try to check if you spelled it correctly. Okay. Leg, L-E-G. Very good. Correct. Now, how about next? Toes. Let's try to see T-O-E-S. Great. Look at that. Are you correct? Are you correct? Look at your work. Are you correct?
Yes.
Yes. Great. Right. Very good. Next. How about the other one? Fingers. What is the spelling for fingers? Letter F. Next. It's an E. It's
I-N-G-E-R-S.
Very good. You match it correctly and you spell it out correctly. Great job, Luke. Very good. So I want that always you are like that, okay? Always like that. Great. Next. Here. You are going to look and check. Okay? Look and check. All right. Wait, I will write it for you. Come on, here. What is this? This is my toe or this is my hand? What is the answer?
This is my toe.
This is my toe. So I will put check because you said this is the answer. How about, wait, I'll remove this one. How about this one? What is this? This is my foot.
My leg.
This is my leg. Very good. Next, how about this one? What are these? You will say.
This is my fingers.
Is it this is my fingers? Please read again. This. It's not is. It's not is. It's.
This is my fingers.
It's not is. It's are. Look at this one. It's are.
These are my fingers.
Yeah. Fingers. Again?
Yeah.
Fingers. Again, these are fingers.
These are fingers.
With S, fingers. Because you know already, there are 3. Many. It should many. So, these are fingers. Again. Say it again. This. Say it. Come on. This are. Come on, say it. These are fingers. Because you forget to pronounce letter S. Come on, say it. Come on, say it now. I know you know the answer. Okay, what is the answer in number 3? What are these? You will say, what will you say? This. Come on. These are fingers. Again.
These are fingers.
Oh, yeah, fingers. I like it. Very good, Luke. Now, how about this? What is it? This one.
Hand.
It's a hand. All right. Since you answered already the fourth question, it's time for us to check if your answers are correct. Number 1. What is this? Your answer is, this is my toe. Let's try to check. Are you correct? Number 1?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Next, number 2. What is this? Your answer is, this is my leg. Let's try to check. Are you correct? Are you correct? Number 2? Yes.
Yes.
Are you happy? Are you happy that you're correct? Wow, teacher is also happy. All right, here. What are these? Your answer is, wow, these are fingers. Don't forget to pronounce letter S, because if you will say finger, it's only one. Now here, what is it? All right, what is it? You will say, it's a hand. Are you correct? Yes, very good. You are correct. Now let's proceed with other activity. Very good, Luca. Very good. Teacher is so happy. Let's play a game. Okay, here. Can you touch your head? Head. Where's your head? Head. Where is your head? Head, head. Head. This is my head. You will say, come on. This is my head. Again. Say it, say it, say it. This is my head. Ah, you don't like your head? Okay, how about your hand? Where's your hand? Hand, hand, hand. Okay, show me your hand. Show me your hand like this. Oh, you will say, this is my hand. You will say, this is my hand. Give me 5. 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Wow. So you will say, this is my hand. Again?
This is my hand.
Yes. How about, where are your hands? Hands. Hands. So you will say, these are my hands. Look at teacher.
These are my hands.
Ah, where is, or can you touch your arm? Arm. Arm. Where is your arm? Arm. Where is it? Where is it? Where is your arm? Can you show your arm? Can you show it? How about yours? Ah, you will say, this is my arm. Again? Say it. This is, this is my arm. But if you'll say this too, these are my arms. Again? These are arms. Arms. There's S. Don't forget. Yes, because it's 2. If it's only 1, just say arm. Okay, next. We're almost done. All right. This one. This, what is this?
Legs.
Oh, leg. Only 1. You'll say, this is leg. Again?
This is legs.
this one. 2. What will say? This is
These
or these are?
my legs.
Ah, these are my legs. How about this?
Foot.
Oh, what will you say? This is or these are?
This is my foot.
Very good. How about this one? It's 2. What do you call this?
These are my foot.
Ah, foot or feet?
Feet.
Feet. Ah, only 1 foot. If it's 2, feet. How about this one? What is this? What is this? This is.
Toe.
Oh, this is or these are?
This is
This is.
my toe.
Very good. How about this one? This is or these are?
These are. It's
Mm.
a toe.
These are my toes.
These
Again.
are my toe.
Very good. These are my toes. Don't forget to say letter S. Next, here. Ah, this one. This is or these are?
This
Look at this one.
this is
This is
my hand.
my hand. Great. How about this one? This is or these are? Look. This is or these are?
This is
2. 2. It's already 2.
these are
These are. So you will say, these are my. What do you call this?
these are my hand.
Very hands. Again, hands. Again. Hands.
To him.
Ah, hands. How about this one? This is or these are? Look at teacher. This one, look. Look at on the screen. It's the last slide now. After this, I will let you go now. But if you'll not listen, I will teach you until later. Come on. This one. This is or these are? Look at teacher.
This is.
Ah, this is my. What's this?
This is my finger.
Finger. How about this one? This is or these are?
These are.
Ah, these are my.
These are my finger.
Oh, many. Finger or fingers?
Fingers.
Yes, fingers. How about this one? This is or these are?
This is my arm.
Very good. And this one, the last one?
This is my arms.
Is or these are? It's 2.
These are my arm.
Oh, arm or arms?
Arms.
Arms. Very good. Please don't forget that one. All right? Listen to teacher. Listen to teacher. So I hope that every time you will have class, you will listen. Okay? Listen always to teacher because teacher knows that you are smart. Look at me. Look at me here. You're sleepy? You're sleepy? Ah, I know. Oh, great. No. Okay. Will you promise me that you will listen next time? You will listen? Look, will you promise me that you will listen to teacher? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I hope that next time you will do more good. Okay. For today, you are good because you got perfect. Everything is correct. Okay. Great job. And teacher is happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes, so that would be all for today, and I will see you on Monday. Goodbye, Lou. Goodbye. All right.